What's up YouTube, Nate here, and today we're looking at twitch.tv to check out some stream of the stock market. Now this is kind of like Twitch streams the stock market that happened a year or two ago, but this one, if you go on the website and just type in stock stream, it should be the first listing. Now let's check out the page. So this is a lot like Twitch plays Pokemon, to be honest. The chat room is there to execute the commands of the page itself, really. So this account started with $50,000, and they are using the app ROBiNHOOD, which is a mobile app kind of targeted to the younger audience getting into the stock market. I highly recommend you guys checking it out if you're interested in something like that. But if you guys have any other questions about that, just send me info, comment below. I can maybe help you with some of that. But yeah, you can see the chat on the right side here. The bottom right of the window, it's showing the current buy or sell commands. In the middle right, you can see this 5-minute increments votes, and on the top right is the timer. So every 5 minutes the top commented buy or sell will be executed. Below is just a little info, news coming out for the day from different sources like Time Magazine, The Verge. The top left shows the current cash stack, so you can see it still has $42,000. So yeah, if it goes one way or the other, it's really going to take some time. Once the account has all the money invested, we can really start seeing swings in performance. But right now it's really diversified starting out, you know, relative to how long it's been going. Day one has been pretty successful, made $61 so far. So really interested to track this progress and see how it goes. So yeah, it's looking really interesting to start. A lot of people online are talking about it. There's a lot of articles on Reddit, a lot of threads, a lot of websites picking up on the action early on. So yeah, it's really interesting, and I cannot wait to see how this unfolds. Take a look at the end of the day of trading. This is still profitable. The portfolio still performed a positive $54, so that's good. Looks like it's been a solid first day of trading. Starting off well, but with this, who knows? You know, the account could get suspended for day trading if something like that comes up. There's a lot of factors that could go into, you know, big crashes or, you know, ups and downs. Just gotta tune in yourself to see what happens. So I'll leave a link below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.
A drink. 6 in the morning, I take you back to my crib.